Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel, and today I'll show you how to bold text on Facebook status. If you want to post something on Facebook with bold text, then this video is for you. Make sure to follow these steps. Open Facebook. Click here to post. Type your text here. Copy your text. Search for bold text generator in your browser. Click on the link. Paste your text. Copy the bold text style which you like. Go back to Facebook. Paste the text here and click on post. As you can see, we have bold text on our status. So these were some simple and easy steps to follow. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.